Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Telegram group and manage members. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app, then tap the pencil icon in the bottom right corner, then tap New Group. Then select contacts you want to add, then tap Next, then give your group a name and optional profile photo, and then tap Create. In the group, tap the group name at the top. Here you can update the photo, edit group name, and adjust privacy settings. Tap Add Members to invite more people. To remove someone, tap their name, then tap the three dots, then choose Remove from the group. If you want help managing the group, go to Administrators, add Admin, then choose a member and set their permissions. In Permissions, you can limit who can send messages, media, polls, and more. Now your Telegram group is running. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.